Have you ever felt that sudden wobble, like your body just forgot how to balance for a second? It is so scary. It's more common than you might think. 1 in 4 adults over 60 falls every year. And those falls, well, they aren't just embarrassing. They can lead to broken bones, hospital stays, and sometimes a permanent loss of independence. Now, most falls happen right at home, getting out of bed, turning in the kitchen, stepping out of the shower. But here's the good news. There is a solution. You can train your balance. You can get stronger, steadier, and more confident. And I'll show you how in just 5 simple exercises. Hey there, I'm Andy. I'm 77 years old. I'm a certified fitness instructor, and I created the 5DX60 after decades of using and modernizing an exercise designed to keep Air Force pilots in great shape. I'm also a cancer survivor. I know what it's like to feel unsteady and what it takes to rebuild. These days, I help people over 60 get moving, get strong, and get their balance back. And if you're new here, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. I drop new videos every week to help you stay motivated, steady, and aging strong. Let's face it, a lot of balance workouts are complicated. There are those wobble boards, the one-leg squats, yoga poses that look like an origami. You don't need any of that. That's what makes 5DX60 so effective. It's just 5 exercises, 11 minutes a day, and balance is baked right in. Now, before we dive in, please check with your doctor, before starting any new fitness routine, especially if you've had any dizziness or recent falls or any health concerns. This video here is just to help, but it's not a substitute for medical advice. Let's break down how these 5 simple moves of the 5DX60 work together to improve your balance. Starting today, toe touches. They're not just about flexibility. They loosen up the hamstrings, the hips, the lower back, and teach your body how to bend with control. That control, well, it helps prevent stumbles when you're reaching down or stepping over something. Now, sit-ups in the 5DX60 are seated or standing core moves. A strong core is like your personal stabilizer. It helps you maintain good posture and respond to sudden shifts in your footing. A Superman or modified version of leg lifts or back extensions. It engages your glutes, your lower back, and your shoulders while requiring full body coordination. That's a fancy way of saying your brain and your body start working better together. Push-ups or incline push-ups or wall push-ups, they strengthen your upper body, sure, but they also improve posture and they give you the strength to catch yourself if you lose balance. And cardio, we're talking marching in place. You can even substitute your favorite activity, walking, biking, dancing. The goal here is to train rhythm, timing, and footwork, all key pieces of dynamic balance. So these 5 together, and you're building strength, coordination, and flexibility and control, everything your body needs to stay upright and safe. Now, 5DX60 covers the basics, but I also love adding simple tools to boost balance even more, a little bit of fun too. One of my favorites is the colored balance block circle. It's a set of small raised stepping platforms. You walk across them slowly and carefully, arms out, and then you're ready. You add maybe a head turn or even try walking backward. It's simple, it's safe, and surprisingly fun. It also improves coordination and proprioception, your brain's GPS for where your body is in space. You can find these at 5dx.com or online. Try this right now. Stand on one foot for 10 seconds, then switch. If that felt easy, try it with your eyes closed or turn your head slowly side to side. Leave a comment and let me know how it went. And while you're at it, tap subscribe. We're building strength and balance here all together. All right, are we ready for something playful? Let's talk about the Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge Now, I'll be honest with you, I do 100 jumps a day, sometimes with a rope, sometimes just tapping the toe. You don't need to match that, not yet. Now, if you're brand new to jump roping, just try 5 jumps or 10. Even just one is a great place to start. No rope, no problem. You can tap your toes, bounce lightly, or just march in place. The whole point is to move, to smile, and have some fun. Now let me know how many you did today. Put that in the comments section. I'll be there. I'll be there cheering you on. Losing your balance, it does feel scary. Getting it back, that feels like freedom. You don't need a gym. You don't need hours of complicated routines. You just need a few minutes a day and a plan that works for you. And that's what 5BX60 is all about. Stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next video.